you'll never be led by a president etshwanang le Zandile. Guys, Mamela, to run a president, you don't have to have a doctorate. Ramaphosa ke le wile sekolong. South Africa is going down the drain.
Ha ke bua ka Bosibia le controller ke Bosibia ba sa tsebe next. Someone who cannot even answer a simple question. Watsa go jotse nete ya Zandile Tabula tswana ke ya tleneya no.
Yes.
Ya Zandile Tabula. Ya Zandile Tabula re bua ka di frontline state. Yes, le nna no mpotsa ka frontline state le tlo answer the way ke nanang ka teng because of I can knowledge yona. I'm not a politician. I'm trying to venture into this.
And it was long gone.
And Lona Liring Motu couldn't answer it. Zandile Tabula couldn't answer it.
It was long gone. 1994, guys, it's 2025. It's 31 years gone.
It was just a little tlaila. Zama go share video. Video ke a hopola ka bona go YouTube. But now I go YouTube. Ke ipotsa ntho e one gore batho ba bona ba ithola kae. Ba tlo shasha ka re ba inkile go TV. When? Why is Winter today?
And why Haliketa Winter today? Why is it not a full interview? It's only a clip.
Why? How come a full interview?
From the start, or even feel go frontline. If it's a genre, but it's a Harry Sheba. It is not there. Get propaganda.
Ba rometswe ba fuwe tšhelete hore ba etse ntho because ba tshuile go tutula ya.
And let me tell you, you guys who are running this propaganda news and propaganda toni, we are coming for you.
Really jwe tseke news wave rona re bua di nnete zamang go block ha le zame go etsang because re bua di nnete. Listen, okay, wena le perfect ra o leboela perfect modimo Jesu Kriste. Yeah. Baba di postile kaofela bo Jesu Kriste.
Babshale le dikolong
le ruteile lona ke le ruteile le perfect ha ona nix side saving. What's again na tse ke tsho wena hlonolo.
Yes sir.
Now I still support Zandile and re tlotsa ntho tse right and Zandile aska iska muisa matla da ide. Ba batla mbona a wile matla.
Mamela Sizandi. Mamela Rawarata, no matter what, we are going to support you and we are going to protect you by all means. Even if we lose the moya, me, I'm prepared.
We're going to do that because of Ntorebon. Kimo wa ba sa buika okay Sibia e ba fetola di minister tse sa rutia tse sa tsebe next. Some of them they cannot even speak English. English ya ba palla.
Di dugata in expo.
Na ke tla o jwetsa Zandile Tabula inishwa e shapa ngwanaka. For the fact that go hlolile fela ho answer a frontline state ka tsela ya how ona na go stop it. Yes, ka fela a go jwetse 95% it's amele ya kukula because ne sa tsebe what is a frontline le bona. Ke tlo jwetsa nnete.
And ba itibile ka wena Zandile Tabula, be proud.
Yes, ka bethu dia ba itse ka bethu dia tsamba kukula. Mago jwetse ke re ma foreigner a kena mo South Africa ka ntle ho molao, they must fuck off.
And we are coming for you.
Let's go to jwetsa gore jwale tlo bua di frontline head collision whatever. Hey, that was long gone. No. Re deala ho fixa South Africa. South Africa is our country. Re ka se tlo re morena boloka setjhaba sa heso. Hence ona le batho ba sa batla go se boloka ba se senyang man.
And again ke tlo ela go ntwe e we bileng abuti. ANC e ente that frontline in tontona ke. Not today. That same ANC, it is destroying your future. That same ANC, it is eating and misusing our funds. That same ANC, it is running propaganda. That same ANC, it is destroying the career youth people. That same ANC, it is super corrupt. Oh, not yet today we have cartels in South Africa. From names in South Africa in elite cartels.
Okay. Kio, what? Some of you don't know anything. Ne? Re khathetse guys. Tlolang Zandile Tabula. Zandile Tabula za ntho tse right mo South Africa.
And support
motho na le kelello o mametseng this podcast.
Yes.
O tlo re ya ma watsa keng? Vose le hlonolo ba bua nnete.
Yes.
Ba batla uisa Zandile Tabula moya. So we should stand by her. Re lokise South Africa. South Africa e need to lokiswa. le iponetse Mkhwanazi o ba kene ba bang ha ba tsebe lo answer a simple question wa tshola ba mbotsa ka docket docket ha ona motho sa tsebeng docket le ngwana o nyane tla o jwetsa ke eng docket but ha no tlile ka nna wa mpotsa what is the frontline state ne tlo fambula because ha ke tsebe ke eng ne tlo answer the way nna ke understandang ka teng
ene lena we answer the way
ka the way yena understandang ka teng hore lona le tsamela Google na tlo khutla tlo tsheya tlo commenta ntse se nang kelello
ha le qeta le batla ho tuma ka yena re le shebile
stopang zane tabula tsa ntse right le ya di-clinicing ba ba ka ma South African a hlokofetseng because of no sena dipidisi ko di-clinicing
bona le accident ya di bus ene yang ko Limpopo ko Mesini
o bone ba netletse le crowded o hape no tletse bona ba le crowded dipidisi mayiriana ne tsamaya e tswa hara South Africa.
Guys, if you don't wake up, South Africa is going.
Guys, nna le nkutlise bohloko.
South Africa is going. Hana ka bele focusa ko dintho tse leng hore di tlo re thusa as South Africans le batla o attacker Zandile Tabula on over in English e sa re pataleng bile.
Ba fetho re kholang. Kholang ka English. Ke eng into kgodisang ka English buang.
English man.
Okay, a le jwetse what is the frontline state ka Sesotho, Zulu, Venda, Shangani.
Ibile wena o betere. Ha ba jwetse a purpose. Or why would and ba ska Google. Ba ska Google. Ha ba jwetse purpose ya frontline and le ska Google.
Yeah, lintse le jwalo.
Le jwalo.
Lintse.
Le ska Google be le tlo ketsa phlale ka rona.
He le rata di views ka ntho tse sa leo man. Le mathise di views, ba mathise di views.
Content.
Ke ra ke la taba le la ka shapa 100 views a re na taba but neti e o le tlabele itse ba tlatsa mali o jotsa ba bang.
Yes.
Like about 100 views it's fine but neti tlabele itse ba tla mali o jotsa batho ba bang. Le ketsa clever. Ene re lukisa South Africa Zande Tabula lukisa South Africa but lona le against motho lukisetsang bana ba lona.
Like South African ha jwama.
Kopa re ba rapelle, kopa re ntse tapelo fela, re ntse tapelo, kopa ntse tapelo. Mara pele ke batla re fonele Thami Madondo, a re fonele Thami Madondo go tlo o feelang ka this.
Okay.
Ding etsa hala.
Okay.
Hanyane fela re kena o Thami Madondo, go tlo yena o reng. Ga lebo.
Okay, le frontline e very akdala. Ne? Mara it surfaced is all. It surfaced is all. We don't know what is the agenda, which why it surfaced. It trend as we speak.
Yeah, I've seen that.
And yes, Uzandi Amsulu we pendula no question. But here's the thing. Ubano was yonke into South Africa. Who knows everything? I didn't know personally. I didn't know what the frontline state is. Bangi is all. I had to go and Google and then understand. But that frontline nonsense, amongst those nations, Zimbabwe is part of the frontline state. And why were they called frontline state? They came to assist, apparently, or they were aiding and assisting in South Africa. Kuma international relations offer some kind of assistance during the time of apartheid. But it is the very same. I saw Zimbabwe, Mozambique, I can't remember the other one. Those countries that were called our frontline states, aiding some assistance with South Africa, they are a burden today. Today, they are a burden. Ama illegal foreigners, abuya kakule Zimbabwe, abuya kakule Malawi, Maputo, and so on. So that frontline state, Uzandi did not know what frontline is. It's true. She did. You can't know everything. That is why Nami, if I was placed in that space, Mbuzo the frontline state,
Keshap. Oh, ne re bua le ena ko phone number fethu ne le Thami Madondo ke NEC ya Operation Tutula. Le ikutlwetse le ena ha bua di points ai o reng. So ke ntho tse re buleng ka tsona ke ntho tse re mathileng godimo tsona. There's no need already explain. le ne da thuso
a re ba rapelle
a re ba rapelleng jaaka
a re ba rapelle
a re kwa le mahlo ba rapelle
re rapela re le two
ai rapelle one
ai rapela but
ntata gona mo dimong bitso la o lekgetho tle moso wa thata o tsafatseng jaaka tsa lo dimo fe ka jeno ba bona bolkaneng tsa tleng le leng o go tshwarele molato wa gona jaaka go tshwarela ba sitetseng se ka re sa molekong pogolwane le yo mo bane muso kwa ha o le matla le khanya ka go sa feleng modimo na le matla
amen
kopa o thuse South Africa
hore e ska ya molekong
a go ska molekong